When you're riding past a wall that could make a lot of noise, like these 10 panels here, you got to be real careful, because you could be riding along. There's gravel here or crushed asphalt, and I've had a horse kick some of that crushed asphalt over and hit the side of that wall and cause a bunch of noise, and the horse spooked and almost jumped into that ditch. So you have to be real careful about that. And if you want to get off your horse and you can just kick some rocks over there at the 10 panels, make some noise, and make sure your horse isn't being overreactive to that. If they are reactive to it, then just keep throwing rocks against it until your horse relaxes, and then you can get back on and ride along. But if your horse isn't aware of and comfortable with the noise that makes when suddenly some rocks hit it, you might be in for a challenging situation or a dangerous situation when your horse spooks to that, especially with the ditch on the other side. So be careful about that when you're riding alongside walls that could make noise.